Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is April the 3rd. We are gonna be marinating some chicken wings that I'm gonna be deep frying tomorrow night. So I'm gonna marinate it overnight. Very simple. This is the easiest chicken wings that I'm gonna be showing you all. So I hope you guys gonna like it. So this is how it goes, okay? So basically what I got here, a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of chili pepper that I put it together here. That I'm gonna just put it like that. And I got all seasoned that I fried a little bit over the fry pan. Basically, I'm stunned right now, I don't even know why. That I've deep fried it, I fried it a little bit, and then what I did is I diced it. So I'm gonna put that on top of it, and I'm gonna put some water, and I will leave this one overnight. And I will deep fry it tomorrow. So basically, I'm gonna have this thing get soaked in. I'm gonna show you all how this comes out, the deep fry, and I hope that it does come out very good. And if you do, I hope it's gonna like it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, stay tuned. Don't go far. It's only 24 hours. I'll see you soon. Hello everybody, we're back again at the kitchen again. With this crazy COVID-19 going on, so nothing to do, just besides cooking and eating every day. So today, again, another chicken wings that I'm gonna be cooking. So I'm gonna deep fry it. I'm gonna use this machine here. If you don't have this one, you can always use a deep fry on the pan. Sorry. So basically, what I got here, as I was mentioning just last night when I was marinating this chicken, so it's nice and soaked in here for 24 hours. Okay, and I promise you it's gonna taste and smell good. Wow, smells good. So now, as well, I'm gonna still marinate the flour too as well. So I got about 2 cups flour here, all-purpose flour. So what I got here is seasoned salt. Basically, it's a garlic salt. Okay, garlic salt. Basically, I'll say probably a teaspoon. I'm gonna put it in there. I got, hold on, I gotta find out the name of that thing. All right. I guess celery. This is celery. Okay. Put it together in here. I got cumin, mustard, and I got paprika. Right. So I'm gonna mix all that good stuff together, and I'm gonna dump it inside the flour like that evenly. So remember, you can always add salt too if you want a little bit extra. So mix it, dump all the good stuff in here. Make sure you have your hands nice and clean, like that. And just mix it. Show some love to the flour, okay? Like that. Evenly, make sure it's even. All right, like that. So I got the temperature for 360. And I'm gonna leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes deep fry. Just depends. And I'm gonna show you all the sauce that I'm gonna be eating, dipping the chicken wings. So it's a Saturday, we bored, so I decided to make a video making some chicken wings. All right, not too spicy because I'm eating with my boys, obviously. All right, so as I said, grab the chicken. You can always use the what do you call it? Either buttermilk or egg to wash it. But for me, I'm not doing that. So just dump it in there. Make sure you shake excess water away from it. Like that. Alright. It's been soaked for 24 hours, so I betcha it's gonna taste good. Dump it in there. I hope that flour is enough. I'm eyeballing everything, so hopefully the 2 cups of flour is enough. Leave it in there, like that. Probably saying, that's a lot of chicken wings, man. Yes, it is. It's about 15 chicken wings. excess water out. That's it. That's all we eating tonight. Okay, that's gone. This is gone. All right. So some people, what they do, they put it in a box, a paper box, and they shake it, or shake it like that. So for me, I'm just gonna use my hands like that. You know. And you gotta wait for that thing to get really hot. I'll leave it for in a room temperature. Let's say give it about five minutes. Let it settle. Let it settle like that. KFC or Popeye got nothing on me. I'm gonna show you all later. Stay with me. Yeah, we're back. So I give it about 5 minutes. Room temperature. Let us just settle a little bit. So I got my oil. It's getting hot right now. So you can always use one of these just to make sure that the oil it comes like hot enough. So it's telling me right now it's almost just the way I like it. I'll leave it until like at least, I'll say probably, it doesn't have 300. Like, you know, I want about 320, but it doesn't have it. See how it's passing? So I want to make sure that it passes at least 220, which is good. The oil is nice and hot. Give it a couple more extra. That's good. Like that. So what are you gonna do now? So obviously, okay, you're gonna shake it up. Yeah, just shake it like that. Like that. You wanna make sure that not too much flour goes. Okay. I don't think I can fit all the 15. You hear that noise? You hear that good stuff? Shh. I like that. I like that sound. So that's the extra flour that's just going down. So I'm gonna show you later what we're gonna eat it with it. So basically some hot sauce, some butter, and you can always make your own. You can buy what do you call it? Regular hot sauce too as well. That will work. I don't want to overcrowd it, so I'll put one more. Just make sure that you don't overcrowd that, okay? And you just let it go in like that. Leave it for at least 12 minutes to 15 minutes. So I got here 242. Get about 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'm gonna do the second patch here. Let me grab a regular plate. I don't want the oil to splash, so I'll just leave this one in there. I'll just take another plate. I prepared this one too now. It's gonna be a short video. It's not gonna be a long video, this one. Basically, just quick chicken wings. And this flour, you don't have to waste it. You can always reuse it. But for us now, no. I'm not gonna reuse it again. Shake it out. Shake it, shake it. Why you wanna go buy some chicken wings, man, when you can make it at home right now? Especially with this crazy COVID-19 is going on. You don't wanna go outside. Hopefully by the time this COVID-19 is over, I'm not gonna be overweight. That's done. All right, let me close this cabinet here. I'm not very well organized today, but somehow we'll manage it. Gotta wash this thing. Clean up this while I'm waiting for these chicken wings to get ready. Alright, so stay with me. I'll show you guys a little, actually you know what? Let me show you the butter and I got about, I'll say, 3 tablespoons of butter. I mean, honey, and I got a half a stick of butter. So I'm melting it, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use it with it. Bring this one, nice melted. While I'm waiting for that, let me make this. Dump that one there. And I'm gonna show you the magic. There's no magic here. It's a regular hot sauce. You can use any kind you want. I'm using the Nando's. Alright, so I'm gonna just dump it in there a little bit. I can smell it now. It's coming out. Yeah, just like that. You have yourself a dipping sauce. Some people they use a mayo, but I'm using this one. All right. So it's 4:45. So almost 6 minutes in there. I'm gonna give it about 3 more minutes, and it should be done. Stay with me. All right. It's almost now. Yeah, 12 minutes. Careful this thing. I do not like it sometimes. This thing is ready, man. See that? 12 minutes. Get it out. If you want to make it more brown, yeah, you can go ahead. See how crispy it is. I gotta put the second pie. Nice and crispy. Like that. Grab the second patch right here. Put it down up. That. Keep it in. See you later. Check the time. It's 54. You want to give it another 12 minutes? It's hot in here. All right. So now let me do this. Like that. The other patch I'm going to give the boys because I don't think they can eat the hot sauce. You don't have to eat it with any sauce, but anyway, just want to show you all the final product here, like that. Here it comes. We'll finish it off a little bit. Finish it off a little bit. I'm gonna sprinkle it like that. Like that. Alright, let me taste it now and see how it tastes. Alright. It's good. I can still taste the flour, and I can taste the seasoning that I soaked it overnight. I hope you did like this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. That's usually what I say in every single video. Yeah!